On our next video, we're going to head over to the overpass and Hoover Dam. So come and join us, all right? Alright, today we're heading over to the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. It's pretty neat. If you've never been here before, come on up and check it out. It's well worth it. Well, here we go. Gets pretty windy up here, and high rig trucks and stuff like that, we want them to stay on the left lane so they won't be affected by the wind that much. But yeah, it gets windy and shakes just a little bit. At least in my imagination, I think it is. There you go, it's over. Alright, let's go on down and check it out. Alright, here we are. They got it fixed up pretty nice here. The rocks, the landscape, and super nice. You get a lot of people visiting this here. It's been here for a while, and each time I drive by or pass by, there's a crowd of people here. Gotta get all the way up there. I think shortly after they built this here, I came and checked it out. I haven't been here since then, but it was pretty neat when we came and checked it out the first time. Alright, time for some stairs. Alright, I'll see you on top. Alright, we made it. Check it out. Look how many stairs and ramps that zigzag back and forth. That would take me all day if I did the ramps. But now we're up here. Let's enjoy it. Check out the landscape. Can't wait to get on that bridge. Wow, they got this pretty neat. Alright, just around the corner. Oh wow, look at all the sun damage. It's unreadable. That sun is baking on everything here. It is sure hot. It's like 102 degrees plus. Yeah, a lot of information here. The one that facing the sun is the one that gets burnt the most. Check out the anchors. Just through solid rock. Big old cables. Wow. That amazes me. Got some more plaques here. Lots of information on they built the bridge. We're almost there. We've got some places to sit down. You're tired of walking and it is sure hot. You don't want to sit down. You just want to keep moving. Get on that bridge and get off. They sure did this nice here. They kept it up nice and check out this big rig. That's cool. Check out this big rig. There's a lot of weight on there. Alright, here we are. Today we're going to walk to the middle of the bridge. Look at that view. A few people here today. I'll stay on the inside next to this wall right here. That wall is at least 5 foot tall. Yeah. Pretty cool. Next to flying, you're not going to get a view like this here. So I'm going to enjoy it. Checking out the little cars down there. Alright, let's move it along. Man, a lot of cars going by. You wouldn't believe how windy it is right now. Boy, I can't believe how low that water is. Imagine once the dam was not there and it's just a river. Excuse me. Oh, somebody left me a water bottle. You notice there's not that many people. After a quarter way through the bridge, the brave keep going. This here walkway will go all the way through, but there's like a little fence at the end. So they don't want you to go across it, I guess. But it's still pretty neat. Boy, look at that road. How many cars go on that road every day just to check out that dam? Wow. Can't believe how low that water is. That's sure a pretty view. Man, it's hard to believe before they had this bypass, everybody was going on that dam. So many cars go back and forth. Look how beautiful everything is. Just rocks everywhere, mountains. Yeah, it should have made it a lot easy just by having that bridge. And if you notice, there's hardly any water coming out of there. Look at that. They're putting tight restrictions on that water. They're not letting very much come out of the dam. I think just what's bare necessity. All right, one more last look at it. I'm gonna soak this up. So I probably won't be here for a while. So it's remarkable scenery here. Look at that view. All right. This is pretty neat. Alright, let's head on back. Well, I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys did too. Do me a big favor, hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe. I'm going to bring you some more good videos. Y'all have a good one.